Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. I made a small video, probably a YouTube short regarding how I can make an IMSI catcher. So I'm going to revisit that and I'm going to show you and I'm going to walk you through in a step-by-step process how I can make a IMSI catcher, and I'm going to walk you through it. For that purpose, the Linux distribution, so I'm basically using Linux, and for that purpose I'm using a Linux distribution called DragonOS Focal. The cool thing about this distribution is that GNU Radio comes pre-compiled. You need gr-gsm, it comes pre-compiled, and then I also have a small IMSI script that is also part of the distribution. So you don't need to do much of compilation. So you don't need to compile, you don't need to individually download Ubuntu, you don't need to individually download GNU Radio, you don't need to individually download gr-gsm. When you are compiling gr-gsm, the first thing is there are a lot of dependencies issues. And which version of GNU Radio that you're using, compatibility issues and other things like that. With this particular distribution, everything comes pre-compiled. So let's start this tutorial. So first thing that you need, make sure you have your HEC-RF or your rtl-sdr dongle, or any software defined radio must be connected to your laptop or your computer. So, and I am running live DragonOS Focal. You can download it, you can make a bootable, and then you can boot your PCs and then run your DragonOS Focal live using your USB drive or your jump drive or your external hard drives. So the first thing you need to do is just go here, go to your terminal. So this is your terminal. Just open up your terminal and type in gr-gsm_live-mon. So what it will do, it will pop up a screen like this. You will see a screen like this. Wait for it to come up. And it's gonna show you a spectrum of all the frequencies. Probably it will show you like a spectrum analyzer where you can change the frequencies and you can target a particular frequency. So once this start running, you will get a graph like this that looks something like this. All right, so let me just open this a little bit and let's leave it running this in the background. That's the first thing you're gonna do. So right now I am tuned at 925 megahertz. 925 megahertz, this is what I'm tuned into. That's my tuning frequency. Now I'm gonna go here to my Dragon logo and I'm gonna go to a tools called Other, and once you go to Other and go to IMSI Catcher script, that's where you want to go. So you will go there, you'll have this thing. Now ls this and you will see a script called simple_IMSI tag catcher.py. So simply run sudo python 3, type in simple and hit enter. Now you will see an error like this. Don't worry about this particular error. Now what you need to do, just simply go here and type in double tag sniff. Once you hit this, now you will see a screen that looks something like this. Let me just go here and you will see a screen that says a lot of things. Serial number, you will have IMSI, you have IMSI1, IMSI2, IMSI, so, and then country code and brand and operator, MCC, MNC, LAC, cell ID, and timestamps. Once this script is running, leave it running in the background. And let's bring this up here. Now, I'm gonna start changing this frequency. I'm just gonna change this frequency one by one. Let me change this frequency one by one. Once it will hit a particular channel where the transmission is happening, you can also visualize the transmission from here as well. You will see this particular screen start populating. So let me just simply increase the frequency, keep increasing, here we go. Let's wait for it to be populated and let's leave the script running in the background. So let me just move this a little bit. Okay, here we go. Here we go. As you can visualize this on a spectrum analyzer, just continue changing the frequency. Keep increasing the frequency. And wait. Just wait. Here we go. So now what it does, it starts getting all the code related to your signal information and other things like that. So we're gonna wait for it to get populated, and let's see where it stops. This is probably the simplest and possible way, simplest and the easiest way to make your IMSI catchers. Because the other distribution, because I was seeing the comments and a lot of people were saying, how am I going to compile gr-gsm and other things like that. So this particular distribution of OS, of Ubuntu, comes pre-compiled. Everything comes pre-compiled. So let's wait for it to get stopped. Then we're going to change the frequency, and then we're going to go and visit some other channels as well. So a lot of information which is coming in. We're gonna wait. Now what it will do, that the script now going to take that information and is going to convert that into a readable form that would give me an IMSI, the cell ID, MNCs and MCCs and all the other stuff, so we can locate the mobile phone. Now in the background, this script start populating as well. So now let's look at this. There's a lot of data which is coming in. Now, so at this particular frequency, okay, here we go. As you can see, I got like about 36 different MZs, and that's their MNCs and all the stuff. The operator that is operating is actually Zong. It's China mobile phone. That's the name of the company, and this is your timestamps, and that's your MZ, and other things like that. So now, once you get all of that information, so this is your MZ for a particular mobile phone. There's a lot of mobile phone activities which is going on. So where it says 41004, the number that is this is actually the MZ that you're looking for. Now I can change this frequency as well to get a different operator. So right now I'm focusing on a particular operator. Now I'm going to change this frequency. This thing has a stop now. I'm going to move this more, and I'm going to see if I can get any other operator as well. Here we go. What I want to show you, actually, I want to show you a different operator at different frequency and downlink frequency. So we're going to wait for other operator to come and show up. So after waiting for a while, I started getting some other operators as well. So I was getting operator China Mobile. Also getting some other mobile operator like rtl, Mobilink, PMCL, and of course we were getting China Mobile as well. So I have so by tuning into different frequencies, you start getting different operators. So I have my gr-gsm running. So at 959 megahertz, these are some new operators which are operating, and these are different associated MZs and things like that. So let's pick up one of these guys and try to locate this. All right. So for that purpose, what I want you to do, just simply go to your Google and type in cell ID finder or something like that. Once you go to cell ID finder, just simply go here, and you need a couple of information from that IMSI Catcher script. What I need is actually your country code. So for in our case is going to be 410, MNC, which is going to be 01. I hope so, 01. So 410101. 10406 is what? Let's look at this from top. So you have MCC, MNC, LAC, and cell ID. So after MNC is actually your LAC and cell ID. So let's go back to my script, and 737, let's just type in this 737, and let's type in this 10512, 10512, and let's change this to, since we're typing this, let's just type 04, and let's get the queue. Okay, all of a sudden my internet is not working. Hold on a second, let me get that internet working. Alright, and let's hit search. So once I hit search, I should be able to find the location of this. So let's just wait for it. Let's try to go to a different website to try to find out your self ID finder. Let's see if my internet is working. Alright, you can do that to find the location of your mobile phone. Then you need to go to gr-gsm, this tab, which is here, and once you scroll down, you will find the usage. Just simply copy this command and open up a new terminal. Once you open up a new terminal, paste this, and what it will do, it will start running Wireshark in the background, and it will use a filter called GSM tab, and you will see you can start decoding the packages as well by using Wireshark. So let me just open this up. So there's a lot of things, a lot of packets which are still coming in. I have still my gr-gsm still running. So there are a lot of different packets. You have some paging packets, you have some requests, you have some information, you have some RFCM numbers and other things like that. So I just want to show you, let me just pause this for a moment, and you can just go to system information and just open up this, and you would find, let's say, what else do you find here, which is some information. All right, let's look at batch parameters, and let's look at some headers. But I would just want to show you the same information that you're getting in your IMSI Catcher. Once you have this thing is running in the background, you can get the same information here from these packets, and you can start decoding it, and you can use Rainbow code to actually decrypt this, because this will also give you some information related to your encryption method and other things like that. So I hope you like this small tutorial on how to actually do IMSI catchers and how to use your software defined radio to actually make a cheap IMSI catcher and get information that you need and try to decode the information. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.